Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi-style fried rice. First, let's prepare our ingredients. It is crucial to use cold, day-old rice. This prevents it from becoming mushy. You will need about 3 cups of cooked rice. Next, chop your favorite vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and bell peppers, into small, uniform pieces. Also, have your garlic, ginger, and green chilies finely minced and ready to go. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or a wide pan over medium-high heat. Once hot, add your finely chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Sauté these aromatics for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add your chopped vegetables. Stir-fry them for 3 to 4 minutes, aiming for a tender, crisp texture, not overly soft. It is time to bring everything together. Add the cold, cooked rice directly into the pan with the sautéed vegetables. Now, let's season it perfectly. Sprinkle in about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala for that authentic Desi flavor. Gently toss and fold all the ingredients together, ensuring the spices are evenly distributed throughout the rice. For the final touches, add about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. These liquids add a wonderful depth of flavor and a slight tanginess. Give it one last gentle toss to combine. Before serving, garnish your Desi-style fried rice with fresh chopped cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Serve it hot and enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.